Seconds transmission? Yo, this is the first time we're seeing it. Oh! Nah, they're animating this so... We in fucking One Piece now? He felt that shit. Nah, Seconds quirk is insane. Oh my fucking god, Deku! Oh my god! Nah, Seconds quirk is so tough. It's evolved over time. Oh my god, the frame! 120%? Dude, what am I watching? Dog. The pure power stored in One for All. Even change the way the world works? Nah, dude. Absolutely insane. Bro. Quintuple. Nah, this fight is amazing. Look at him! Oh! He stopped himself. This is so lit. This is so lit. There's gonna be so many good frames to choose from for thumbnail. Oh, nah! Oh my god, bro! They animated this beautifully, bro. I've been waiting to see this from the manga for so long. Can't do shit, can you, bitch? Oh my god, the voice acting.